Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove 11 7mm screws and 2 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Remove the stylus and gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest. Slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Lift the battery off its posts to remove. Gently insert the opener pick between the keyboard and the palm rest, and slide along the bottom edge to pop the keyboard free. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the keyboard cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Unplug the speakers from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clips and unplug the daughterboard cables from the motherboard. Gently lift up to unplug the antenna cables from the motherboard. Peel back the tape and unplug the camera and microphone cables from the motherboard. Peel back the tape and unplug the gyro sensor cable from the motherboard. Remove 6 4mm screws and 3 5mm screws from the motherboard and hinge. Lift up the hinge, remove the bracket, and gently lift up and pull back on the motherboard, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Replace the motherboard back into its port slots, and be sure to get all the cables out from underneath. Replace the bracket, lower the hinge, and replace the 6 4mm screws and 3 5mm screws. Plug the gyro sensor cable back into the motherboard. Plug the LCD cable back into the motherboard. Plug the speakers back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the daughterboard cables back into the motherboard. Gently push down to plug the antenna cables back into the motherboard. Plug the camera and microphone cables back into the motherboard. Plug the keyboard cable back into the motherboard. Slide the bottom back into its clips, and push down on the top to snap it back into place. Replace the battery back onto its posts. And plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover, and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 11 7mm screws and 2 6mm screws back into the bottom cover.